I also saw you with your pants down, and it looks like you're pissed right now.
Shots fired. Police, stop!
Just after 5 p.m. on the 5th of August 2025, Peoria police were dispatched to an intersection following reports of a man carrying a baseball bat. According to witnesses, the individual had been swinging the bat and urinating while vehicles passed by.
I also saw you with your pants down, and it looks like you're pissed right now.
I had to piss my pants down.
I understand
I've been
that.
walking all day.
You can't do that out in public, right on the public street.
What am I supposed to do?
Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Go to a public bathroom.
I was walking, I ain't near the
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. I need you to set that bat down. I'm not going to take it away from you, but I need you to set that bat down. Huh?
Why?
Because I'm going to detain you.
Why?
I just told you.
What did I do?
I just told you.
What?
You were urinating
I didn't
out on
urinate.
Prospect.
How did I urinate?
Someone saw that, and as soon as I pulled up here, I literally saw you with your pants
I've been
down,
walking all day. I pissed
and I saw your penis
in
out,
my pants.
and you were pissing right here.
I pissed in my pants though.
How would you piss in your pants if your penis was out?
Because I had to take it out. I had to piss real bad and walking all day.
Doesn't matter. I need to get your information. I need you to have that bat down.
I had to piss.
I understand that.
But what?
I'm not going to take that bat away from you,
What
but I
do you
need you
need?
to set it down.
What do you need from me?
I want you to stand up, set the bat down, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
I already told you.
I didn't do shit. I'm just sitting here in the shade, bro. I'm standing in the shade.
I already told you.
What did I do?
I'm not going to tell you again.
What did I do?
I already told you.
What did I do?
I want you to set that bat
What
down.
did I do?
I want you to set
Shots fired. Police, stop! Show me your hands. Show me your hands. What did I do? What am I doing?
Is there anything else?
Fuck, man.
There's maximum 1, prep 1, 1721. You're behind where?
Fucking want that damn fucking bag.
Are you sticking out?
Stop
Stop
moving, bro.
moving around, man. All right, get out. Jesus Christ.
I have a cold medic.
Are you able to get yourself up?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we going to be able to get you up? Lift you up like that?
Lynn Oak Prospect.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, just get him sitting on there.
Stay with me. Come on.
Hey. Hey,
Stay with me.
look out of it.
Stay with me.
trying to have him stand up. He's got like a broken elbow.
10 o'clock.
Ambulance? Yeah, we got code 1. If you could just guide him this way, because we can't get him moved.
Got a code 1 ambulance on the way. Get around,
Are you okay?
Hit me all on my fucking right arm.
At least get him on the right side.
1801. I'll be right with you until I get there. 1801.
Fuck! What's going on here? Fucking arm hurt. You fucking hit me with the damn bat.
You hit you with the bat? Where at?
On my fucking arm.
Work hard. You're good to go.
Roscoe.
Don't need any more cars for faster.
Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Fucking no. Yeah. Where?
Paramedics arrived shortly afterward and provided emergency care. The suspect later identified as 41-year-old Brandon Lewis, but Mr. Lewis died as a result of a single gunshot wound. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.